In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails by year in Outlook. Whether you're organizing your inbox or searching for specific emails sent or received in a particular year, knowing how to use this feature can save you a lot of time. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by clicking on the Outlook icon on your desktop or by searching for it in your Start menu. Once you're in, you'll see a familiar window open up with all your emails displayed. If you're not yet logged in, simply navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. This is your Microsoft account login, the same credentials you use to access other Microsoft services. Once you've submitted your information, click the sign in button again. Outlook will now log you in securely and you should see your inbox filling up with emails. The next step involves finding the filter option. At the top of your email list, you'll notice a search field. Direct your attention there and click on the filter option within this field. Filtering is a powerful way to sort through your emails, and today we'll focus on filtering by date. Once you activate the filter, you'll see an option labeled Date. Click that. You'll then be able to input the start and end dates of the year you're interested in. For example, if you want to see emails from the year 2023, enter January 1st, 2023 as your start date and December 31st, 2023 as your end date. Now that you've entered your desired time frame, it's time to initiate the search. Simply click on the search button, usually represented by a magnifying glass icon, to filter emails for the selected year. Outlook will now sift through all your emails and display only those that fall within the specified dates. This method can be particularly handy when you're looking to review yearly correspondence or declutter your inbox by archiving older emails. Remember, this is just one of the many ways Outlook makes organizing your communication more manageable. Sorting by specific years can also help in creating custom folders for a more structured inbox. And that brings us to the end of our tutorial on how to filter by year in Outlook. With these steps, I hope you find your emailing a more streamlined and efficient process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll explore even more Microsoft Outlook features.